Lipad na siya. Cute. Ang cute. Oh. Hindi ko nga nakunan eh. Oo nga no. Creepy, no? Tapos ganyan lang. Ginagastusan talaga nila.
These are no different than your boats, cars, or toys. All your toys. I was just asked, how big is the target out there? They're 30 feet long X's, Andre. They throw baggie, 6-ounce baggie, with a 3-foot tail on the end of it. That's what they throw out of the basket. We use sand, stone, but it's measured exactly how
Ang dami pa nga lumilip. Kaya nga. Ayan na. Kaya nga.
We've got a special shape pulling in the corner here. I can see him. I thought I saw a putty cat. I
Galing.
did. I did. We got us a putty cat.
Saan yun?
No, we don't have the putty cat.
Oh, right there.
We got a Tweety bird.
Tweety bird.
Is that not a beautiful sight out there looking at all those balloons?
Oh.
We got them all over town. Everybody can see them. The problem is, we got
Kainin
them
mo.
all over town. and
Meron pa nga
everybody's
doon
still
eh.
here. It looks like we've got
Kainin mo.
entire town right out here for crowd. I cannot believe you guys. We have got so many people out here. In the 25 years I've been here, I've never seen a crowd like this. We greatly appreciate you guys all coming out. I know we're going to be here fighting the weather, but it's always worth it when we get here.
Ayan na. Oo nga. Yeah!
And we got the Tweety bird putting cats out.
Oh, ayun. Ito siguro. Parang makita natin. Ayan yung isa sunod.
I have a sneaking suspicion we're going to have a space cowboy With our balloons that are
Kaya nga eh.
coming out right now. We've got Al right here, number 40. He's going to be flying a Tweety Bird
Tweety bird.
on that. Down on the end, we got Sylvester. I thought I saw her like that. Everything's nice going good.
Ayun, inaano mo yun.
Hmm.
Point pa siya.
Kaya nga.
Ayun, ang ganda. Oh.
Ganda ng kulay.
Parang yung like, kaleidoscope pala siya tingnan mo.
Oo.
Diba? Sila, parang,
Paano kaya sila? Saan kaya sila ano no? Bumababa? Kung saan? Sila? Hindi ko alam kung saan niya pupunta, no? Ayan na siya. Ang cute.
parang hindi blow. Ano na
Baho tong katabi ko.
ganun sa tapos sasabihin ko sa kanila yung 30.
Visit. Baho. Kanina ko pa tinitiis. Girl, ginawa ko. Ang baho. Visit. Ang kulit. Alisin ko yung sounds.
I thought there's two more.
Hindi mo, kasi may butas yung bawat gilid eh.
Oh, yeah.
Ayan oh. May next pa? Wala na?
Hindi, dalawa.
Mm. Meron pa oh, ayan oh.